Ka National Human Rights Commission menta katayo kalawan yuk kecat hanong ba shalong bat penlong ya ka kam sitting bat public hearing ne ke jingshong bisar pat ba ars ngilenter halor ki mukot duma ba ya day bat ki kam yuk rot ya ka hok long briu man briu ki baja ha ke jalam Meghalaya Mizoram bat Tripura. Kene ke jing bisar pat ba ya ki mukot duma kalalong ha State Convention Hall bat la play ya ka du Justice Mahesh Mittal Kumar dukot jong ke NHRC ha ke jing don rengkat u Secretary General ke NHRC u Bimbadhar Pradhan u Director General Investigation u Santosh Mehra u Registrar jong ka Law u Surajit De u Joint Secretary u Harish Chandra Chowdhury bat kiwei Hakane ke jingshong bisar ba arsngi ke NHRC kalapan kut da ke jing ajing mut yakini ke lai tali ke jela ba ke deban seo kum ka song jingaram ke bakot hadu khatsan lak tingka shakilanot basha yu rot ke hok long briu man briu hakane ke lai tali ke jela Habekran bat kelat pathai kubor u Justice Mahesh Mittal Kumar ula pentip baka kashari full bench jong NHRC kala shong bisar hadu khat khandai tali ki mukot duma bakan thop ya handreu tali ki jong ka Meghalaya lai tali jong ka Mizoram bat shipau tali jong ka jala Tripura ki mukot duma bala shong bisar hakani ka sngi ki kenthum ya ki tu ki bom sim la yo pediang ya ki kai phot jing tokit ki mukot duma bala a show cause notice bat ki bala a juba nalor kini ka kashari kala shong bisar ru ya ki artli ki jingja bayap ki nong bala ti doyong hakipa doyong ka jala Meghalaya Hadian kani ke jingshong bisar ke NHRC kala penlong ya ke jinghalang bat ki Chief Secretary ki DGP bat ki he officer jong ki laitali ki jalla nalor ke jinghalang bakerpang bat ki kenhun sang bhalang jong ke jalla ke NHRC hakani ka sngi kala pen paru bakalong ke balkloi ban shim mukot duma ya ke jingsha siat yap unoyalam barim ke HNLC uba Chesterfield thank you ladadon ki ba ajumudui shaka commission haba pen pau baka commission da lele ru kamla satya ban shim mukot duma hi dalade hendrai ka de ban long katkum ki saki satar bawan lam hakmat ka commission
and 19 cases were heard. In some cases, the complainant was present in person. Otherwise, the state assistance remained available and we were able to disburse compensation in some of the cases where, for example, laborers were crushed to death while involved in illegal mining. A detailed meeting with the chief secretaries or their representative from the 3 states. We register our concern about various areas, custodial deaths, excesses by the authorities, by the police, or right to free speech and expression. We impress upon them that within the parameters of law, all the 3 states are expected to function. Again, we have a very fruitful meeting with the NGOs, and we were very happy to see a vibrant society functioning in 3 states. They were able to put forward the grievances of the common man, and a large number of issues were brought before us, and we have assured them that concretize these issues and put before us in writing so that we may take action and put the other side on notice so that some meaningful order could be passed by the Commission.